In this video, I'm going to talk about how to jump around quickly inside a book using the Kindle table of contents. So here we are on the page of a book, and let's imagine we want to look for a particular section for some reason. Here again, we'll use a different button along the side. In this case, we will use the menu button. It brings up a menu up here in the top corner, and the option that's selected with the black bar is Go To. And so that's the one we'll choose. You'll notice you can also sync to the furthest page read if you wish. So we'll use the flat of our hand to select Go To, and it will bring up another menu down here at the bottom of the screen, which allows us to choose to go to the cover, the table of contents, the beginning, or a particular location, which we would be specified by the location number, which does not correspond to the page number. So we want to select one of these options. Here's Midnight coming to say hello. Excuse me, sweetie. I always press the down button here, and you'll notice now the location button has gone black to indicate that's selected. We're going to use the table of contents, so I'm going to press the right-hand side of the selector button so it moves to the left, and until table of contents is showing with a black outline. And then I'll use the flat of my finger to press toward the back of the book to select that option. And here we will see a table of contents. Many tables of contents are multiple pages, so we'll need to press next page to see all of the different options, and we can press previous page, which will take us back to the first page. Now within the table of contents, what's neat about it is you can use that to jump to a particular section in the book. For example, let's say I was really interested in this section on preparing students. I would use the selector button, and I'd press on the top side of it to press it down. And you'll notice as I do that, this little hand with the finger pointing shows up. So I'll continue to press to the top side of the selector button towards the bottom of the book, the footer of the book, and you'll notice the little hand moves down. That tells us if we select what section we would go to. So we've now got the little hand down to preparing students. So I'm going to use the flat of my finger, which I can see needs cleaning, flat toward the back of the book. And this will now jump us to that section. This was obviously the first section in a chapter, so it's moved us there. So I can press the next page button, and it shows us preparing students. If we use, in this case, the back button, that will take us back to the table of contents. If we press the back button again, that will take us back to the previous section that we were using. So previous page takes us to the previous page. The back button takes us basically back to the best the Kindle can identify of the last thing we were doing before we started doing the current thing, whether it was looking at a new section, looking at the table of contents. Enjoy.